What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Dio coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the Jordan 1 Wheats. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. That's the channel out so much. Let's get into it. So I bought these at a local sneaker shop, and I actually ended up trading a shoebox for these. The shoebox is $50. And how I did that is I sold them a pair of brand new Jordan 4 Travis Scotts, and I didn't give them a box with it. And then I had a box from my used pair that I got. Ended up just having to put $50 on top. So that was super dope. I didn't really need my Travis Scott 4 boxes. I'm just gonna end up getting those, and I'm just gonna drop front boxes. But here you guys go. Here is the shoe. I actually had these before as well, and I ended up ruining the bag, which is a long story, but pretty much don't really mess with this material. This material is super hard to mess with, super hard to clean. It's RDS. They have the shoelaces on the other shoe, looks like. Yeah, they come with 2 pairs of shoelaces. I don't know if I like the rope laces or the flat. Personally, I may just put the flat back in, but I haven't worn these yet. They are brand new. This is a shoe that I think is super slept on. It's super good, especially like wintertime. But definitely gotta be careful with the material. I have this Angelus spray and it helps protect the suede, so I'm definitely gonna apply that. These are super clean. And that's pretty much all that comes in the box. It's just the shoes. They did have the receipt from where I got them originally. But like I said, I traded a shoe box and $50 for these. Super dope. Typical Jordan 1 box, nothing special. It's actually a little damaged. It's kind of getting into the details of the shoe. You guys can see that it has a pretty dope tongue right here. The suede material looks super good. Of course, you have a full suede upper. You have gum bottoms. And it's crazy. I saw the last sale on StockX on my side was $700, which is freaking ridiculous. I remember I picked up the other pair for like $110. It's just crazy. They had them marked at $300, but they kind of went down. Trade. The market on these is just kind of all over the place. And they're just, like I said, a super clean shoe that I think is a sleeper. You don't see too many people wearing them. I think the materials are pretty good. Not probably the best material I've seen, but definitely a really good material. Definitely a good colorway. Kind of like a Timberland Jordan 1, in my opinion. This is a shoe that released in 2017 at $160. Now it's crazy. I think these set, I don't think there was much hype around them. If you look, there's a ton of Jordan 1s from 2017 that are super expensive now that I know back then just weren't really going that crazy. It's just crazy after documentary how much Jordan 1s are going up. And really all Jordans. But this is definitely a dope shoe that I had to add to my collection. Definitely something unique and something that I like to bring to the channel. Like I said, I don't like to bring the same stuff that everyone has. I like having different unique items. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock the rope laces or the flat laces? As you guys kind of look at the inside. I guess I think the brand new still have these. See this better. It's got like brown insole, which looks super good. I don't know if it's one blue brown. No, it is. I'm definitely not going to put it on, especially in a brand new shoe. I hate when you take like a sticky insole up and it's like ripped. It's like the most annoying thing. So I try to avoid that unless it's a dirty shoe. I have to get it clean. Personally, I have it and it's brand new. Inside there's nothing really crazy, nothing fun, anything. It's just really a typical Jordan 1, but has a gum bottom, of course the suede uppers, which like I said, I think is a sleeper. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Is this fire? So let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Do you guys think this is a good cop? Do you think this is something that'll go up in the future? Do you guys own these? Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I post a ton of content like you like and said. Thank you guys for watching.